This is embarrassing to admit. I was paying $347 a month for software I barely used. Notion, ClickUp, Grammarly Premium, Canva Pro, 3 different AI tools, and I was still behind on everything. Then I ran an experiment. What if I rebuilt my entire workflow using only free AI tools? 7 days. That's all it took. Now I'm working 4 hours a day instead of 10. And honestly, the quality is better. My DMs are exploding with people asking, "How are you doing this?" So I'm breaking down the exact system, step by step. No gatekeeping, no upsells. If you've ever felt like you're drowning in tools that don't talk to each other, this is for you. Let's be real about something. We've been sold a lie. The productivity industrial complex wants you to think you need 15 different subscriptions to get things done. But here's what they don't tell you. Complexity is the enemy of execution. In 2026, the winners aren't the people with the most tools. They're the people with the smartest systems. And thanks to AI, you can build those systems for free. Today, I'm walking you through the exact 7-day transformation I just completed. We're covering day 1 to 2, automating admin work that used to take hours. Day 3 to 4, building a content engine that runs on autopilot. Day 5 to 6, creating client deliverables faster than ever. And day 7, connecting it all so it actually works. No fluff, no theory, just the blueprint. Let's go. First 2 days were about one thing, killing the time sucks. I listed everything that ate my time but didn't make me money. Emails, scheduling, data entry, invoicing. Then I asked, can AI do this? Yes. I set up ChatGPT as my inbox assistant. I copied this prompt. You are my executive assistant. Sort these emails by urgency. Draft responses to anything routine. Flag anything that needs my personal attention. I batch process emails once a day now. That's it. I stopped using Calendly. Instead, I use ChatGPT to manage availability. I give it my calendar constraints, and when someone asks for a meeting, I just forward their message. It suggests 3 times. I copy-paste. Sounds simple? That's because it is. The secret: stop trying to automate everything perfectly. Automate the 80% that's repetitive. Handle the 20% that matters. This is where it gets interesting. Content used to take me 6 to 8 hours a week. Writing captions, making graphics, brainstorming topics. Now, 2 hours. And the engagement is higher. Here's the system. Step 1. Idea generation. Every Sunday, I ask ChatGPT, based on trending topics in my niche, give me 10 content ideas that solve real problems my audience has. It spits out a list. I pick 5. Step 2. Content creation. I don't let AI write my captions word for word. That's how you sound like a robot. Instead, I use it as a brainstorming partner. I say, I want to write about this topic. What are 3 angles I could take? What's a hook that would stop someone mid-scroll? Then I write it myself using those ideas. Step 3. Visuals. Canva's free AI background remover plus ChatGPT generated design prompts equals professional-looking posts in 10 minutes. I'm not a designer, but my content doesn't look amateur anymore. AI doesn't replace creativity. It amplifies it. Let's talk about the moneymaker. Client work. I used to spend hours on proposals, research, revisions. It was exhausting. Now AI handles the grunt work. I handle the strategy. Proposals. I built a ChatGPT prompt that generates custom proposals in 3 minutes. Here's the framework. You are your role. A client needs help with their problem. Write a proposal that 1. Shows you understand their pain. 2. Outlines a 3-step solution. 3. ends with a soft call to action. Keep it under 300 words. I tweak it. My close rate went from 30% to 60% because I'm responding faster and with more clarity. Research. Client wants market data? ChatGPT plus Perplexity AI. I ask it to summarize 10 sources, pull key stats, and format it in a deck structure. What used to take 3 hours now takes 20 minutes. Revisions. This one's a game changer. When a client gives feedback, I paste their comments into ChatGPT and say, here's the feedback. What are they really asking for? How should I address this without over-delivering? It's like having a project manager in my pocket. By day 7, I had all these pieces, but they were still scattered. The final step was making them talk to each other. I created what I call my command center, a single ChatGPT thread where I run my entire day. Every morning, I drop in what I need to accomplish, what's blocking me, what I'm unclear about. It gives me a prioritized action plan. Throughout the day, I paste in questions, drafts, ideas. It's my thinking partner. By the end of the week, I wasn't just faster, I was sharper. AI won't replace you, but people using AI will replace people who don't. Here's what nobody tells you about AI. It's not about the tools, it's about the thinking. Most people use ChatGPT like Google. They ask a question, get an answer, move on. That's the amateur move. The pros use AI like a co-pilot. They iterate, they refine, they challenge the output. If you take one thing from this video, let it be this. Stop asking AI to do your job. Ask it to make you better at your job. So that's the 7-day blueprint. No expensive tools, no complicated workflows. Just smart use of what's already free. I challenge you, pick one area from this video and try it for a week. DM me your results. I read every message. And if you want the full prompt library I use, every single one I mentioned today, I'm dropping it in the description. Don't let 2026 be the year you stayed stuck using 2023 methods.